Arrival in Europe. 45,000 years ago, the children of Africa stepped onto a new land, Europe. The land was colder, darker, and filled with great ice. Survival here was not easy. The forests were deep, the animals were fierce, and the winters seemed endless. But Europe was not empty. Another kind of human lived there long before, Neanderthals. They had strong bodies, thick bones, and they knew the caves and valleys of Europe well. For hundreds of thousands of years, they had survived the cold. When Africans arrived, two worlds met. At times they clashed. At times they shared fire, tools, and even families. They mixed their blood. Today, every European carries 1 to 2% of Neanderthal DNA, proof of that ancient meeting. But the challenge was not only other humans. The land itself demanded change. In Africa, the sun gave warmth and strength. But in Europe, the sun was weak. The skies often gray. Food was different. Life was harder. Step by step, the people adjusted. Their bodies learned to face the cold. Their cultures shaped by the hunt, by the fire, by the long, dark nights. They carried Africa in their hearts, but Europe began to change their form. This was the beginning of transformation. The African traveler was now becoming something new, what would later be called the European. The journey from the warmth of Africa into the ice of Europe was not just a migration, it was a test of survival. And from this test, a new face of humanity began to appear. The story of Europe had begun.